Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. One of the illustrators I had been looking for almost 2 years now, she did a reprint of one of my Holy Grail coloring books. So we're going to check it out. I also picked up 2 other books. So it looks like it comes with little, sweet little confetti. Oh my goodness, how precious. There's also butterfly confetti. How sweet. What an experience. Look at this. This is the book. Oh my goodness, I have been wanting this book forever. We'll do this one last. So there is a thank you. Thank you. Find me on these social media, and you get a little bit of cardstock. Super thoughtful. And I don't know what this is. I don't think I bought this. Wow, this is like a real birthday gift. And if this video helps you in some way, please subscribe or give it a thumbs up. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, are these like loose? Oh, these are like, are these bookmarks? They look like bookmarks. It's really cool. So I got 3 little bookmarks. I don't know what this is. I don't think I ordered that. Wow, she put a lot of love to this. I kind of want to repurpose all the materials. Look at these. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. It did take a while to ship, but I was super patient because I didn't know about the tariffs and stuff. Check this out real quick. I want to know what's in here. It's in a little sleeve. So it's really beautiful, incredible cardstock. Such beautiful work. Are these samples? These look like samples. Look at that hair. And it's grayscale. So I can't wait to use watercolors on that. Or markers. So we are gonna try to get some of this out of the way. Oh, I do want to check what this little baby booklet is. It just says thank you. So it looks like little postcards of some sort. This is like a little mermaid. The paper quality is just extraordinary. Oh, there's multiple ones. So this must be like some kind of postcard or something. Oh, there's stuff behind. Oh, whoa. These could be used as swatch, or you could probably repurpose them as maybe make cards out of them. Oh, I keep wanting to open this. Okay, we'll start with a set of Art Gold, and then this one's the regular set of art. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't want to bend it, but I gotta. I think this is 400 GSM, maybe 300. I'm gonna try not to bend it too much right now. Gorgeous. Oh, this is that other one we saw earlier on different paper. And that bird, beautiful. Little puppy. Looks like a falcon, possibly. Oh! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So these don't have to be damaged. Perfect. Some of these could be used as warriors and goddesses. Those wings, very unique. And got some fade. Those wings are unique too. Oh, and there's swatches here. That's beautiful. Okay, let's try to get it back the way it was. Let's see if I can put it back. Just start from the edge and smooth it over. Smooth it over. Perfect. Let's try this one, and then we'll try the one that I've been really wanting to check out. There we go. This is a set of ArtL Gold. A little swatch chart. Really elegant. The nice thing about having grayscale is you can really speed up your coloring for portraits. Some birds. It looks like royalty. Steampunk. I love the hair pieces. Beautiful book too. This one feels really tiny compared to the super thick cardstock pages, so we will see if it was worth all the fuss and me dreaming of it. Are you ready? I love this cover. This is a loose item. I love the way she does the eyes of her characters. Look at that. Look how precious. Oh, I really love this design here on the right. Peacock's gorgeous. The horse is beautiful. Got a little cabin. Really pretty design here too. Look at those birds and look at that hair. Super talented. Look at the sunshine and the flowers. Kind of the designs that you get with Rita Berman. We got a little tree house over here. Some birds. Really pretty birds. A little town here. Kind of a princess vibe to it. Oh, this is pretty too. Well, I am so grateful I have gotten a chance to pick up this book, and it came lovely packaged as well. And if you like portrait-driven books, I do have a playlist dedicated to them that I will leave at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.